Hey everyone, it's Kevin here with Views About Anything, and today we have the MetalShake by Sweden. This is a metal shaker for like protein powders and pre-workouts and whatever else people use them for. As you can tell by the name, this is a metal shaker cup. I'll get into why I purchased this one in a bit, but first let's take a look at the box and then take it out. So here on the front, there's a cutout in the shape of the container itself. This is a 900 milliliter or 30 ounce shaker. On the side, you see prominent 624. This is because it keeps hot beverages hot for 6 hours and cold beverages cold for 24, because it is double wall insulated. Turn to the back, you can see an exploded view of the shaker. You have your main cup or shaker vessel here, your grate, and your top with the mouthpiece and a little carry loop. Your dishwasher safe symbol, the 100% stainless steel, hot and cold, as it said on the side. This is non-toxic materials, they say. It can be dishwashed in the dishwasher, but they do recommend hand washing it. And then they have a little bit of information down here at the bottom in a couple different languages. It says MetalShake is a double wall insulated bottle made in the highest quality 18-8 stainless steel and BPA free PP fiber in the plastic parts for a greener, healthier alternative to regular plastic. Non-toxic, no leak, easy clean, long life product made by MS by Sweden. And you can find only high quality products from them, unique designs, and smart solutions. And then the other side is the same as the other side. So let's open this up here. Pretty much just the shaker and nothing else in there. So here, this is their PP fiber that they're talking about for the plastic. And you have a carry right here, so it looks like they have a little indent here for like 2-finger hold, or you can probably clip a carabiner to it, or whatever, hang it off your bag or backpack. It has a silicone part here to press against the mouthpiece, so the no leak technology that they talked about. It also has a little bit of a clip almost here to, you can see in the molding of the plastic right there, to help it seal better. And then here it has some of the different colors. I got the stainless one. They also have black, white camo, a gray camo, and a blue color. They are powder coated. That's why I went with the stainless one. I have a hydro flask, and I've noticed that with the powder coating, it is a durable paint, obviously, but it can chip over time, and I just wanted a plain stainless. On the bottom, this is a plastic material. It says dishwasher safe, non-toxic, Prop 65 compliant, and do not microwave. So we open it up here. You can see the top, and there's another seal here, part of their no leak technology. You have your middle grate, which this is a metal, and then a plastic housing for it, and this has a little rubber or silicone nib on it, whatever this is made of, to press against the top here to keep this in place. This is to make sure that your protein, creatine, pre-workout, post-workout, whatever you want, doesn't have clumps in it. Also makes it very easy to clean, obviously. And then on the inside, just standard double wall, stainless steel, just like any of the other tumblers, Yetis, Arctics, Ozark Trails, blah, 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 all of them, so on and so forth. So standard kind of in that sense. The other nice thing is it does have a measurement on the inside. So as you're pouring, you can see the different ounces here from 5 to 25, and then from 100 to 800 milliliters. So that's nice when you're trying to get different amounts. So they do have two options of this cup. They have this 900 and then a 600 that also has 2 compartments with it, and also a cold puck that you can throw in the freezer to help keep your cold drinks colder for longer. I didn't see the need or purpose in that because I refill this frequently throughout the day, and since it can keep cold beverages cold for as long as it does, I didn't see the purpose in getting that. I wanted just a bigger volume of liquid. So the reason I got this is I was tired of my plastic ones breaking. So for a couple of years now, I've been using this here, which some of you may recognize, the MetalShake. So this is just one from a local store here, but this is the MetalShake V2. I really like these. I like them better than the blender ball ones because I don't like the ball on the inside. So the reason I went this one, of course, this has the grating on the inside, just like this one, to help do your blending instead. This is now my third cup, and all of them have done this. So as you can see, they just cracked. I'm very gentle with my stuff. I do not drop it very often. This was dropped one time, and it was dropped in a bag with a towel near it onto the floor, maybe a foot, maybe a foot and a half, and it cracked. Just very brittle plastic. So for me, that, and they retain a smell after a while as well, where stainless doesn't do that. So I was just tired of spending, $8 to $10 on these, and I've already bought 3 of them. So I could have just bought one of these for how many I've spent on these, and would continue to spend on these. These are good cups. It's just I wish they were more durable. Maybe if they could make some type of hybrid or have rubber or a better plastic or something. But for me, this is just not cutting it. And since I do have this bottom part still, I can take this part, throw my protein in the bottom, and throw it into my bag. And I didn't need the compartment version of this MetalShake. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a good alternative to the blender ball style, or I know Contigo has a silicone blender ball one, these smart shakes and stuff like that, I think that this is going to be the one to go with, this MetalShake by Sweden. I'm going to use it for a while, and I'll come back with a review and let you guys know, but I believe this is going to be the one. It runs from 25 to 30 bucks. The version does not change the price, so if you get this big one like I have, or if you get the 600 milliliter plus the 2 compartments, it's the same price. So I've seen them vary in price a little bit just by color and I guess demand, but this one I paid 30 bucks for. So I think it's going to be well worth the money, but we'll find out. I'll let you guys know in a future video. If you have any other ones that you know about, I know there's a couple other metal shakers on the market, but a lot of them use the blender ball, which just sounds like a horrible idea to have a metal ball in a metal container. That's going to be annoying and loud when you're in the gym or either other places in public. So this is the one I found that seems like the best option. But if you guys have other ones, let me know. I'll look into them. Maybe buy another one or something to have as a backup and compare it to this one. Any other comments, leave it down in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.